Hello, beautiful. This is Jennifer Hadley, and our prayer for today is for placing our faith in love. Yes, love. Ooh, let's place our hand upon our heart. Take that breath of love and gratitude and rise up, rise up, rise up. We are grateful and thankful that we can place our faith in love, and we're learning how to do that. We're learning how to trust love and to trust that love is healing. Love is healing us right now. We are allowing ourselves to develop an unshakable faith by practicing trust, placing our trust in the power of love to heal. We're placing our trust and our faith in love being our true identity. Love transforms and renews, and we are grateful to discover how true that is. We're allowing ourselves to practice placing our faith and our trust in making loving choices and being able to see clearly what the difference is between what the ego would call love and what love actually is. So we're discovering and developing a deep and abiding faith and capacity to trust love itself, love renewing us and restoring us, love revitalizing us. And we are grateful and thankful that no matter what we've chosen in the past, no matter how bad it's been, no matter how badly we have felt about ourselves, love still renews us and restores us into an awareness of our true identity and perfection, our innocence and wholeness. So we are grateful and thankful for having the ability and the opportunity to be transformed by the renewing of our mind. We are grateful for the healing that's happening now. We share the benefits with all of our brothers and sisters because we are eternally one with them. We let it be, and so it is. Amen. Amen, amen. Yes, I feel that resonance. Thank you for praying with me, being my prayer partner today. Oh, so good to place our faith and trust in love. That's the only place to put it. And let's see what's going on. It is Friday that I'm doing the free forgiveness workshop, and it is Sunday that we start the End My Self-Sabotage program. So that's what's coming up this week, and I hope to see you soon. I love you. Have a powerful day, placing your faith in love. Mwah.